we are gonna try and make the ultimate smash burgers. I got 80/20 beef, pepper jack, American cheese. I smoked up a pork butt the other day. I got some leftover pork butt. I'm gonna fry some onions. We are gonna griddle up some Texas toast, a little barbecue. That's what we're having for dinner. So without further ado, let's get this cook on the road, eh? First thing I'm gonna do is get some butter down and fry up some onions. Onions down. This press on there. Get those onions griddling up nice. We can get the burgers on. Griddle is warm. Little Pam on your smasher to help release from the burger. Duke's mayo to griddle up your buns. Try it if you haven't. It's an absolute game changer. I'm gonna get some of this beef down too. It smells so good up on this stack right now. Onions looking. Little barbecue sauce on top of the pulled pork. I shouldn't even be monkeying with these things, but I'm gonna see what they look like. Oh, very nice. Yep. That's what I needed. Those look great. Nice. I think it's cheese time. We're gonna go American, pepper jack. Get this all nice and incorporated. Get my fried onions up over here on this hotter part of the grill. Just like so. And I'm gonna put my buns down. Bun down, bun down. Bun down. Bun down. Get those griddling up nice. Okay, how are we gonna build these things? Go. Fried onion. Fried onion. Fried onion on all of them. We're going. Pulled pork. We're gonna build. Get all that griddled cheese off the bottom right there. Right on. I'm gonna go like this. Look at that. Wow. Those are cheesy. See what this looks like. Very nice. This one. Our burgers are done. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Can you guys hear this? Dang, dude. Holy. Here goes nothing. That is so good with the pulled pork on there. Oh, man, is that good. The fried onions and the two types of cheeses. Good Lord. Double smash, double cheese, fried onions, pulled pork, little barbecue sauce, Texas toast. It is delicious. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. We'll catch you on the next one.